Hi, Alma here, and this vacuum cleaner has a great suction power. It's great for cleaning large areas. It's great for people with large rooms, people that have situations or any kind of problems cleaning their floors, people who live alone, large families, people with pets. So this is great at picking up pet hair, especially dog hair, as I have a dog. The only couple of things that I don't like about this unit is that number one, it can get stuck on your rugs, so you do have to remove your rugs, your throw rugs, because it will suck the rugs and it gets stuck. And the second thing, it can be loud, especially when it goes back to its station to empty itself before continuing to clean. But I can totally overlook that because it does a great job at cleaning. Goes in there, it empties itself. And then it makes a beep, and then it goes right back to cleaning the floor when it, I don't know, somehow it knows that it needs more cleaning. It is great. We really love it, and it was definitely worth the purchase.